If you are about to go live and you would like to announce it, then a trailer is a fantastic thing. And you can record such a trailer really easily that looks super professional with Ecamm Live. And I'm showing you how you can do this now. So let's quickly start about how to make a live trailer real quick. First, you have as a background a image file or a video file that could be like a nice slow moving color background. Here I was using this one that is it looks like this. It goes back and forth. That's it. So like zoom in, zoom out. And then here I have an animation that is basically here a transparent animation with all the text flying in. And here you see how I did this transparent movie in After Effects from Adobe. So you see all the different parts and layers that are coming in. And the most important thing is that when you do such an animation, that you save it as a QuickTime format with Apple ProRes 444 with Alpha. And there is also a sound included for animations. You have to have like it cannot play overlays with a sound. Therefore, I just put the sound separately here as a MP3 and put this over. So that is the overlay. Let's say it like this. This is like this. The background is the one side of it. Then this overlay is the front side of it. And now all you need is a picture of yourself with a green screen background. So what I have here is, let's see it like this. It's like a green screen here. Let's turn it off. This is the green screen. If I turn on green screen and I adjust the fade level, this is how it looks like. I am nicely in between the background and the transparent overlay. So if I am starting the scene, it starts with the sound, with the overlays that are popping in, and I can just do my speech as I would like. I can say, okay, join me on Friday the 17th and through the exclusive Facebook group only. Have a look at here. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm sharing these insights and other best practices regularly, how you can reach out authentically and professionally and be visible with ease.